It's 8 a.m. from Fox 35. This is Good Day Orlando.
Plus, could the secret to fighting cancer be in your fridge? We've got that answer coming up. Plus, how something you can find in your fridge is helping cancer patients fight it. We've got that story coming up. On to the Health Watch now. Could the secret to fighting cancer be in your fridge? New guidelines from the American Cancer Society says eating right and exercising more could help patients live longer. Dr. Brahmbhatt joining us with more details about this new study. Dr. B, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So let's talk about this study. People who ate healthy, exercised, were 42% less likely to die of cancer. Why is that?
Absolutely. So this was a great study. They looked at 1,000 colon cancer patients, and what they found was that the patients that started to exercise and live healthier, so what is that? They started to get their 150 minutes of exercise a week. They started to eat more greens and take away the processed meats. What they found, and decrease their alcohol intake, what they found was they had the 42% decrease risk of dying from colon cancer. So this may sound like groundbreaking to you, but this is what I preach every day in my office. Because not only colon cancer, prostate cancer, kidney cancer, ovarian cancer, there's so many cancers that are linked with poor diets. Actually, 20% of cancers are linked with unhealthy eating habits and poor lifestyle decisions. So this is something that we know. So why wait till you have cancer to change those things in your life? Why not start them now?
Do it now. Let's talk about the food specifically. Yeah. You say take out the red meat, the processed meats. What about foods that we should have in our fridge that could really be helping us along the way?
Well, if it's green, it's good.
Well, that's easy.
That's the best way to put it. If it's green, it's good. But it's basically like more fruits and vegetables, because our diet is so processed carbohydrates, so processed meats. Like you mentioned earlier today, now we know that what burger joint is the most popular.
Yes.
But stay away from those things because those things are unhealthy. So the more greens that you can put in your diet, what that's going to lead to is more healthier fresh vegetables, which your body is better able to metabolize, which also have low calories. So all those things combined with getting your amount of exercise in is going to lead to a decreased risk of complications from cancer and even getting the cancer.
Okay, let's talk about exercise. Are we talking about really, hardcore exercise? Are we talking about walking once a day? What are we talking about when it comes to that exercise scale?
Well, since 1/4 of Americans don't get anything, just get up off the couch. I mean, that's the most important thing to say. So again, 2/3 of Americans are overweight or obese. And all we ask is two-thirds. And all we really ask is 150 minutes a week of moderate exercise. That could be walking, jogging, swimming. They even list gardening as a potential exercise.
Hey, if it gets you out and gets you moving,
just do something and get your heart more active, because not only are you going to decrease your risk of cancer, you're going to decrease your risk of heart disease, diabetes, stroke complications. There's so many benefits to just getting up off the couch. 150 minutes a week is really nothing. It's 30 minutes a day. The average American watches 3 hours of TV a day.
Yeah.
So you can actually start doing push-ups and burpees or whatever it is that you want to do right here while you're watching this show right now and get your 30 minutes in.
Okay, so you put the exercise trampoline right in front and just do 15 minutes, right? Anything, right?
Anything. Do something. Because again, the more you do today, the better it's going to be for you down the road.
For the long run. Dr. B, great advice. Where can people find you?
Thank you. On all social media at Dr. Jamin B.
Okay, let's find out if it's going to be good weather for walking.